wanted to take a quick minute and show you how I did my winter sowing tomatoes. In each jug, like this one is marked tomato number 1. I have 9 different varieties of tomatoes because I wanted to see what was going to work with the winter sowing. So this was all like a big experiment. So I took this, here's tomato number 1. These are all grape and cherry tomatoes. And I wrote down the different varieties that I did. And then on this other page, I have a map of how I set up my jug. So here's the handle of the jug, so then I planted them like this. So when I look at the inside of the jug, oops, sorry. Open this up. Here's the handle. You can see in here 1, 2, and 3 did not germinate. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 did. So 1, 2, and 3, Sprite, Red Pearl, Red Pear. None of those germinated. But the rest of them did. The rest of them, Yellow Plum, Indigo Rose, Chadwick Cherry, White Cherry, Atomic Grape, and German Lunchbox. Those all did germinate. So now here's the hard part, is getting them out. Okay, so let's try this again. The last one I did completely dumped out, and I have no idea what's in each of those, but I know they're all cherry tomatoes, so we'll see what happens. This is tomato number 5. These are mostly beefsteak tomatoes. So let's see if I can get this one out. And I think I'm going to cut this open. Just because I do not want the same thing to happen. And I'm going to stick the label in here so I know no, that one does not want to come out. All right, stay there. So in this one, 1, 2 germinated, 3 did not, 4 and 5 did not, 6 did, 7, 8, and 9 did. So what I've been doing is writing on here what didn't germinate. This did not germinate. 3, 4, and 5 did not germinate. And then I'll go and look at some of those and see if they're new seeds or old seeds, or if I want to replant the seeds, which I'm thinking this late in the game I don't want to replant. So we are going to I'm surprised how wet the soil is, even after all this time. Just pull them out, and then I will transplant them into a pot. And I'm going to snip off that little one. Grab a pot full of potting soil, make a hole, and I just gently pick them up and place them in. There you go, and then I will label it. So that is number 1. And I am using a paint pen to label because this will last all summer. Instead of a marker, number 1 is red beefsteak. And there you go. So I just have to do that with the rest of them. So that's how I transplant my winter sown tomatoes.